guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this bob to look like this, and this is from a company called Eayon hair. Now, I worked with this company when I was pregnant, but the video wasn't like a in-depth hair video. It was more so me just showing you how I easily remove ghost bond off of a lace wig. So I didn't really like show the hair. And also back on Mother's Day, I forgot about it, I worked with this company. They sent me like a loose wave type of full wig, and I ended up selling that, unfortunately, but that wig was really pretty. So this time they wanted me to review a shorter wig, and this one is 14 inches, but I ended up cutting it to sort of like a blunt bob in a way. Off camera, after what I end up showing, I did cut it a little bit more, so it's a little bit shorter than when I last got off of camera after you know, filming towards the end. But just gonna go over a couple of specs about this company. Shipping with them, it took, I'd say, 3 or 4 days, and I do go over like all of the construction of the wig and everything like that. So the hair is really pretty. It's, as you guys can see, the curl pattern, it's not a super curly, like deep curl, but it is a nice wavy curl. And this is an invisible knots wig, and as you guys can see, the lace is pretty undetectable. And as you guys see me slowly building up the wig and making it a hairstyle, you will see how the lace isn't really detectable. So it is true, because a lot of companies are saying they have like undetectable lace and invisible knots, but they're clear as day. But this wig actually looks really good. I tried to cut it like angled in a way, but I don't know how I feel about it, because I've done bobs like this before, but this one I just don't know like how I'm feeling. But for the most part, it is cute. The hair is a nice texture. The wig was beautifully made. The construction of it is the bomb. This is probably like the best construction I've seen on a lace front wig, because it's always the usual like 3 combs, adjustable straps. They give you a little bit more, and I will show that. Well, I'm not going to keep talking. I'm just going to go into the tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will link it in the description. I did get the inch 14, but if you want it shorter or like this, I would say you could get away with the 12. So, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you on the next one. So this is the packaging that Eayon Hair sent. Cute little box every time, and they included a wig cap in their little brochure card, and of course they included the wig. Usually they do put an elastic band, but it makes sense why they didn't, because this wig already comes with the elastic band attached, so technically you don't need 2. But I am just showing off the knots, and it is giving me very much like invisible knots. Like, look at that, it looks so good. And this is with me not even bleaching it, so imagine it bleached. It would probably just be so seamless. But the construction really impressed me. It is 4 combs, an elastic band, and it has straps on the elastic band, like adjustable ones, like the little hooks, if that makes sense. Sorry if I confused you guys, but yes. And this is just showing how transparent the lace is. Like, it looks so good. It literally is blending into my skin, and it did come a nice medium brown color, so that is why I ended up just adding makeup. But here's the wig on, and y'all, just look at the lace. Like, honey, she's just looking good. Like, yes, sis, I'm here for it. And the curls, like, everything about this wig was just so pretty. So I decided to go in and pluck just a little bit, literally a little, because this was I was making it a bob, and I knew it would be wet, and probably like part of it would be behind my ear and whatever else. I didn't super duper pluck, so yeah, that wasn't an issue. I just had to pluck some parts, because I didn't just want to not pluck any of it. And here I'm just figuring out my parting, and as y'all can see, the parting is pretty darn long, and it does go far back. Can't say how many inches because I'm not sure, and I always get that wrong. But now I'm just about to quickly install it, and this is my like lazy way. just spraying the lace, the hairline, whatever, and then putting a scarf over it, and I let that sit, I'd say probably 5-10 minutes. I think I let this only sit 5 though.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, oh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, oh, yeah. I want to meet you. Girl, you want me island too.
So after cutting that lace off, I am putting a scarf around my hairline so the water doesn't drip down on the lace that I just glued, because Got2b is not water resistant and it will fill up if some water seeps under there. So basically I'm just about to spray this hair down, then I'm going to add some mousse, and then after that I'm going to cut it. So once I start cutting, I will hop back on the mic.
Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. 1, 2, I put it on you.
Can we just talk about this hair texture? Like, look at how beautiful it is. And I'm literally just brushing, you guys, and look how the curls come right back. Like, this hair was literally like butter after I put all my product in. And I didn't want to use a hot comb like I usually do, so I am taking some Got2b because I know it's gel and it'll make it nice and flat, and I'm just putting that in the hair to kind of hold some of the curls and also to lay it where I parted down so I won't be looking like a cone head. So yeah, and then I'm taking the scarf off, and I believe after this I'm putting more mousse. Okay, I couldn't remember, I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm putting more mousse, and I know that off camera I did my baby hairs. Sorry you guys, I wanted to do it on camera but I couldn't, so yeah, I do that, and then that is when I come back on and cut it.
Things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh, yeah, I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah, I want to meet you. Nobody can. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me.
So yes, y'all, look at how good sis is laying. She was just so bomb. And the curls were semi-wet here and they were slowly drying, but just some advice from me, because I've done this a million times. Just eye it, I guess. Eye how much you want to cut and cut. I mean, you're never going to know until you practice. And I have done 1,000,001 bobs, curly bobs at that. And I've also cut them, so I kind of know how. But it isn't really hard. Literally just put your hand where you want the hair to be cut and then cut it. Because, y'all, the first time I did this, I mastered it, and that was the African Mom video that a lot of people really enjoyed. So definitely check that out if you didn't see. It is very possible, if you've never done this, to cut yourself a nice blunt bob. And I thought this was so cute. So that is it, you guys. That is the tutorial how I got this nice blunt cut. As far as the back, I did have my my son's dad help me cut the back because I couldn't see, but simple. Or you can just cut it and fix it on a mannequin head. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.
Girl, you want me island too. Beauty now your body.